Good day, this is Katie Breth, Source Water Protection Specialist with Stearns County Soil and Water Conservation District with your conservation report. Is your well water safe to drink? You cannot see, taste, or smell most contaminants. Currently, Stearns County SWCD is partnering with the Minnesota Department of Health and offering just $10 test kits. This is to test for arsenic, coliform bacteria, and nitrate. You can pick up a $10 test kit at 3 locations. One location is in Waite Park at the Stearns County SWCD. The address is 110 2nd Street South, Suite 128, Waite Park, Minnesota. Our office hours are from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Second location is the Sauk River Watershed District, located in Sauk Center, Minnesota. Their address is 524 4th Street South. Their office hours are also 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. The third location you can pick up a test kit at is Stearns DHIA Laboratories. Their address is 825 12th Street South, Sauk Center. Office hours 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Again, the 3 locations that you can pick up your private wells test kit for arsenic, coliform bacteria, and nitrates are the Stearns County SWCD office in Waite Park, Minnesota, the Sauk River Watershed District in Sauk Center, and the Stearns DHIA Laboratories in Sauk Center. Supplies are limited and it offers only good while supplies last. Also, it is important to note that the test must be completed by August 31st. So please don't delay and come in and pick up your test kit today. If you have any questions about testing, please don't hesitate to contact Katie Breth with Stearns County Soil and Water Conservation District at 320-251-7800, extension 3. Today, I would also like to share with you an upcoming event that Stearns County SWCD is sponsoring. It is the Soil Health Tour 2018. This tour is offered due to a partnership between Stearns County SWCD and the Sauk River Watershed District. It is a bus tour focusing in on soil health practices. Cover crops will be highlighted, as well as no-till operations and buffers. It is set to take place Wednesday, August 29th. You must RSVP to attend. RSVPs are asked to be submitted by Wednesday, August 22nd, and you can RSVP by contacting the Stearns County SWCD office, again at that number of 320-251-7800, extension 3. This tour, you will be able to visit with local farmers about their soil health practices, examine different tillage systems and equipment, also view buffer options for making them workable lands, and explore a variety of cover crop plots. Participants are farmers, crop advisors, and others that want to learn how to adopt conservation practices that promote soil health. A few logistical items about the tour is the tour participants are to meet at the Stearns County USDA Service Center in Waite Park at 8:30 a.m. on Wednesday, August 29th. The coach bus will leave promptly at 9 a.m. and is expected to return at 4:30 p.m. Lunch and refreshments are provided free courtesy of Cold Spring Co-op, Stearns County SWCD, and the Sauk River Watershed District. Again, please join us for the 2018 Soil Health Tour on Wednesday, August 29th. RSVPs can be called into the Stearns County SWCD office at 320-251-7800, extension 3. This has been Katie Breth with Stearns County Soil and Water Conservation District with your conservation report. Thank you and have a great day.